Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter E. Okay, this is uppercase E and this is lowercase e. Uppercase E and lowercase e. E is for elephant. Elephant means hathi. E is for eye. E-Y-E. Eye means aankh. This is a eagle. E-A-G L-E. Eagle. Eagle means chill. This is egg. E-double-G. Egg. Egg means anda. E is for elephant. E is for eye. E is for eagle. And E is for egg. Let's writing time. Draw a standing line. Draw a sleeping line. Again sleeping line. Again sleeping line. This is letter E. Draw a sleeping line and a small curved line. This is lowercase e. Okay kids? Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.